How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can simply use the adaptive layer height on the Elegoo Slicer. Now, before we proceed, the adaptive layer height is a slicing technique that basically automatically adjusts the thickness of layer during a 3D print based on the model geometry. So in order to proceed, first, you want to click on a model where you want to apply the adaptive layer height, and then you simply want to click on this button, which is the variable layer height option. In here, you can just adjust this automatically by enabling the adaptive option. So simply click on it, and then it will actually highlight the model right here. So you can adjust this depending on your geometry. You will have these green icons indicating different presets or different messages. And here you can also edit out the radius, and then that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.